Hi there, this is Elaine Gonzalez, Customer Success and Product Marketing Specialist with Origin Wireless, and we're going to be walking you through our intrusion simulation portion of our demo. To begin with, what we're going to do is kind of orient you in the space that we're set up in right now. Currently, we're in an Airbnb, and right now, you have the cameras on the left-hand side, and then you can see the TruShield Security app on the right-hand side. I'm just going to navigate to the Devices tab just to show you our sensing list that we're working with today. We have one Sonos Roam 2 and we have one Echo Show. So 2 devices all day together to create our sensing list. All right, and then in our dashboard, we can see we're in a no motion state right now, but as Joe enters the space, we then transition to a motion detected state, letting us know that motion has been detected and now is being classified as human or non-human. All right, he's pointing out the Sonos right there. And then he's going to go ahead and walk over to our Echo Show as well. All right. And so as he moves around the space, we can then see that we've transitioned to a red human motion detected, letting us know that yes, indeed, there is a person in the space with that live motion sensing status. So now that we are a little bit oriented on the space and how our system works, we're going to dive into an intrusion simulation. And to do this, we're going to be putting TruShield Security head to head with the leading DIY security system, SimpliSafe. Of SimpliSafe, we have their most popular kit, their starter kit, which is 1 base station, 3 door contact sensors, 1 PIR sensor, and 1 keypad as well. So 6 pieces of hardware to create this system. That's about $280 right there. All right, and what I'm going to do now is take away those cameras because most people don't have cameras set up in their home, and we really want to put you into the shoes of an end user. So what we're going to do now is arm both systems. And to kind of paint the picture and give some context, what we're doing right now is showing just how hard it is to determine if someone is actually in the space at any given time, right? With more and more DIY security systems being used, there are more and more false alarms, and police are struggling to determine which alarms are legitimate. So now the new protocol states that if an intrusion is detected on a security system, they'll now ask the question, can you confirm if someone is in the home? Right? That question is now shifting all the responsibility back on the end user, and we're going to see in just a second it's very difficult to answer that question.